So today I'll be driving an Iveco. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please, if you are new, don't forget to subscribe. So this is an Iveco 6-speed manual. So it's a 6-speed manual, like you can see on the gear lever. Yeah, so that is on the neutral position. So in the neutral position it's between 3 and 4. So we'll be driving. I'm just alone, unfortunately. So as we can see, that is an Iveco. That's an Iveco. You can see that's a speedometer. Then this is the fuel gauge. That's the engine temperature. Then that's the ref counter. So we'll start. So I'll be showing you step to step. So I'll start with gear 1. So that is gear 1. Which is one step from the neutral, one step to my left, then up. That is gear 1. Then we start. So as we can see on the dashboard. So when the ref counter reaches the green light, meaning it is ready to be shifted. That is the normal width band for shifting. So that was gear 1. I'm now in second gear. So that is second gear, as we can see on the word. So that is the normal width band for changing gears. So I will now change to gear 3. So that is gear 3. As we can see on the ref counter. So I'll go to gear 4. This is gear 4. That's gear 4. So I'm in fourth gear. So I'll change to gear 5. So that is our gear lever. So gear 5. That's gear 5. You can see on the what? The ref counter. That's gear 5. Then finally gear 6. So I'm done with the gears. It's a 6-speed front, then 7 reverse. So 6 front and 7 reverse. So just a recap of what I was just doing. Just a recap of what I was doing. So like I said, gear 1. Gear 1 is one step to my left, one step to my left, then up. Sorry for that. So that is gear 1, one step to my left, then up. That is gear 1. Then gear 2 is just direct from gear 1 into gear 2. So that is gear 2. That's gear 2. Then gear 3, you just push it, it comes back to its neutral position, then you push it up. That is gear 3. Then gear 4 is straight down. So that is gear 4. Then gear 5, come back to the neutral, then one step to my right, then up. That is gear 5. Then gear 6 is straight from gear 5 into gear 6. So all the gears are done. So like I said, we'll do this for the last time. This time I'll be showing you on the ref counter. So I've started. That is gear 1. 1. That's gear 2. That's gear 3. And that's gear 4. That's gear 4. I'm in Kalumbila, by the way. That's gear 5. So that was gear 5. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and please give this video a thumbs up. Thank you.